Do you find the standard legend in Microsoft Project a little dull and boring? Would you prefer it to be more vibrant and perhaps more applicable to the work that you're showing? Perhaps something like this? Well, in this video, we're going to show you how to do this. Now we actually play a little trick to Microsoft Project here. If you go into Page Setup, and then I'm going to start with, go to the Legend tab in Page Setup. We're actually going to say No Legend. But then jump into the Footer tab, and here, using this little button here, we're going to insert an image which I've already created in Microsoft PowerPoint, which shows a JPEG legend for this particular project. So by clicking on this, we're presented with a dialog box. Simply add in your JPEG or your picture file, click Insert. There you can see in the center will be our legend. Click OK, and there you have it. A neat little legend, nicely packaged alongside our graphical indicators. Please subscribe, it would be very much appreciated. And please feel free to leave a comment as well. We'd love to hear from you.